Hi, I'm Sonia Riggs, President and CEO of the Colorado Restaurant Association. Welcome to the 2023 Colorado Restaurant and Bar Show.
The Colorado Restaurant Association represents all Colorado restaurants. We advocate for restaurants.
We work with small businesses and restaurants throughout the country. We try to show up to many CRA or CRB events as we can.
We're always excited for the CRA. Good to see a lot of operators out and about. This is our first year with a booth here. We've actually sat with a few other vendors in the past and decided that it was a great show and we wanted to do our own booth this year.
Everyone's super engaged and coming up, definitely excited, interested in learning more about the product.
Everyone came by and checked out our display, and they were really impressed, really happy with this.
There's a lot of people coming in. There is a lot of enthusiasm. We can see foods and all types of industries. So it's been great. Yeah, we're loving it.
The people are very outgoing and friendly, and everybody here is trying to help each other in one way or another, make a couple connections, whether it's with a distributor or they have a product.
I noticed there's a lot of business owners, a lot of business-to-business opportunities, business owners that are actually shopping and looking for solutions for their business, so it's very productive.
We are networking more with the vendors, and we are interacting with some restaurant owners.
This is my third year in a row. The food always gets better and better every year. I had this amazing Argentinian lobster roll. Big fan of the food, as I think everyone else is.
Today we're doing two dishes, one cold and one hot. We're doing a Peruvian bay scallops with a mango crudo, and then we're doing a braised Korean style beef.
This is our first time here, but great turnout and a lot of good connections so far.
Everything so far here's been great. We've gotten a bunch of great leads.
There's more than restaurants. There's a lot of different vendors who are interested in doing business.
We have restaurateurs, we have food and beverage directors, we have operators, and we have people from other aspects of the restaurant industry as well.
I'm very excited to be here and see all the different vendors and what they have to offer.
There's a lot of interaction, community with other brokers, with vendors, customers. It's great. I love this.